Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Okay, today I'm in MoleCraft. I don't know why. But I thought I would do a video because I've never done one on okay. Is that little baby zombie still here? Because I need to go hunt not zombies. I need to go hunt spiders, and for some odd reason, they kept on showing right near my house, and now every time I need them, they're just not here. This person wants a TV to me apparently. Probably so they can be on YouTube. It's cool. Hey, diamond armor. Whoa. Oh, I like your hat. Good hat. Hello. I'm trying to get some squid. Do we have squid around here? I don't know. Wait. Did he just disappear? I don't know. Okay, anyway. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to show you my pets because I have quite a few. I have a cat. I'm going to name her. I have dogs and I have a donkey. You need to name them. Pretty much you need to name them all. The two pets that aren't named, I need to name. Oh, bye. Bye, Emma. Okay, anyway. Oh, I was seriously about to fall in there. Okay, let's go. And I'll introduce you to my dogs. So, here's my dog Lexi, and I also have a dog called Jane and Lucky. And we've also got Momo, we've got Stella, and Buddy. But I'm going to Mole Village. Mole Village. Let me just move my recorder down a bit, because I had to move it down so I could, oh gosh. There. I don't know if that's the same or anything. Hopefully none of my dogs or something follow me. I got killed by a cave spider as well. I know how it feels. I'm trying to get as much gold. I just need 2 pieces of this and then I'll have 7 and then I'll only need to get 3. I had 50 pieces of gold, a bit and also I was so unhappy because I almost lost my iron packet. Which, as you can tell, I've pretty much not used anything at all. And I want to try and make a saddle because I want to get some leather anyway. I don't have armor. I have no armor, which is probably a very stupid idea, and I have no armor. Terrible. I'll also give you a little tour of my house. But this is MoleCraft. I used to have a little dirt house, and it was terrible. I believe if I find it, I can show you. Oh, look at this thing. And also, if this video isn't too long, then I might upload Pet Parade. I don't know what's going on with my camera anyway. I think it was somewhere around here. It's like a little dirt hut. I don't know why I made it. It's probably because I had nothing. Oh, this is open. Who's on right now? Faris is on, yay. So this is MoleCraft. FarisJaclyn Sever. There's quite a lot of people on right now, so I'm just gonna go back to my home. And I'll introduce you to pretty much all my pets, but I do have a cat, and I might name her Cassie or Cass or something like my username. She's sitting on my chest. Go on. Oh. Go and sit on another. This cat, though. Go on. I swear, okay. I just have one of my slices of cake. I know, I've never done that before. Okay, let's find some iron. No, not iron. Coal. Coal. We only need like 2 more pieces and we can get some more gold. I'm just... I'm running out of potatoes! I barely have anything to eat, so I'm gonna need to get food. I think we're gonna go on a little adventure. I know that there's probably something down here. Okay, so right now I need food. No, not food. I need string because I'm trying to get a thingy so I can like get a cat. And well, I have a cat, but I want to breed it. Not breed it. I want to find someone who has a cat and like see if I can trade for it and then get you know. I just want to get food for my cat because she doesn't have any food, which I think is terrible. Terrible. I'm like, I got some more. I'm gonna have bread for days. There is a cave. I didn't put that sign out. It was one of the people who helped me. Okay. I know that there is definitely like something down here. Ah! I have like a stack of torches. Should I go down here? Because I don't wanna die. Like, I wanna try not to die in this video because if you don't know, survival is not my thing. Like, completely not my thing. Okay, potato. I only have 1 potato left. I'm really kind of still a bit new to, like, I'm sorry, I bit. Ah! No! There's a creeper! I'm glitching. It didn't notice me. Okay, so so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all my valuables I don't need right now in my chest. Oh, she's sitting on the cake! How dare you? How dare you sit on my cake? I've got like loads of meat, so I can have bread for days. I take my 17 torches, and I'll do that. I'll take some cobble. I don't need my dirt. Don't need my iron. I'm not taking my iron. Definitely not taking that. I'm leaving pretty much everything because I don't really need everything. I'm just leaving that. So I'm good. We are good. Oh no. Did I literally just put my... Where is my... Did I lose my sword? Oh my gosh, are you joking me? I literally have no sword. Oh gosh, I have to make one. I'm gonna make a... Sit down! Anyway, gotta get one. I'll make one. Wait, is this how you make it? Yeah, stone. Like a stone sword. Because I need to fight some spiders and I need to get some squids. So let's go on in a little adventure and hope we don't die. Anyway, I've got plenty more torches. There's a creeper over there. Let's head in a different direction, shall we? And if you can hear him here in the background, it's people. People talking. But I think it's you probably won't be because I have like headphones in and stuff. That's how I get around having background noise, guys. If you ever wondered, there's a... I didn't even need to go anywhere. There was literally coal at the top of my mountain. That's great. But while we're here, we should kill some cows, so I can get some meat and cook it. And yeah, I'm like trading all of my coal right now. I pretty much am gonna have no coal left. So, and if we have to, we'll have to eat it raw, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, let's go get some of that coal. I'm guessing someone's been here already, because there's loads of coal there. I know where to come now for coal. My house! Should I get some sugar cane? Because I might need to get, like, pumpkin pies or something. Did I ever get a pumpkin? I've forgotten. I think I did. I can't remember. How has this been 9 minutes? I don't recall this being 9 minutes. but apparently it is, so we'll just roll with it. Yeah, I'm gonna be making, hopefully, if this doesn't take like, if this isn't like 15 minutes long, then okay, let's go before all the creepers start spawning in, and go. We'll just do slash home because I'm kind of lazy here. Beautiful. And there's like wood here, so I can just like go and get it. Let me go and get like a little bit of mat. I can't move. I'm so hard to move in this game. Get my iron pickaxe. Get my thing. I'm really gonna die. Seriously, I'm gonna die if I'm not quick. And I'm gonna run out of hunger. I am definitely gonna replace this. I promise, guys. What? Ah! That scared me. Okay. Anyway, here's my house. I just sorted all my furnaces out today, and the furnace is like stuck there. But I have like several furnaces, so yep. It's okay. Anyway, okay. I don't know what I was gonna do again. What was I gonna? I'm just. Okay. Anyway, we are gonna cook up our food. I don't have much stuff, so that's gonna go out like immediately. Put some of our wood in there. What were we gonna do? We were gonna go and get that coal. You know, once this time when I was on earlier, there was like a creeper right there outside my window. It scared me really badly. Anyway, I have a donkey. Leave your name suggestions in the comments below. Like, okay, so I had a mule, but apparently when I was TPing him, when I came to my house, like TP'd to my house, like he got stuck up here, and like kind of when I refreshed, like he just was gone, so it was kind of sad. I just ate my cake. How dare I? How darest I? They're like all looking at me like, why? What? How? Why did I just? Why is my door? Why was my door open? Did I open it? I might have to end it soon. In this video, that might be like, I might do a future one, but yeah, I'll see. I'm gonna try and get a name for this cute little kitty. And I'm gonna hunt down some spiders. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.